Hello and welcome. In this lecture, I'll be illustrating how the lead analytic function works. The lead analytic function basically allows you to access data from the next row. So let's take a look at the syntax for the lead function. So it's similar to that of the lag. So we've got the lead function, and inside the parentheses we've got these various arguments. So we've got an expression which refers to a column or expression used to compute the returned value. Next we've got the offset, which refers to the number of rows preceding the lead on the current row. Then we have the default value of the offset is usually 1. Then we have the default, which refers to the default return value. That is if the offset is outside the scope of the window. The default is null. So whereby the offset is outside the scope, the default is then used, and the value for that default is null. Null meaning you don't know the value. Value is unknown. So I've added this block of query here. Basically, this statement is going to use the lead function to return the prices from the next row and then calculate the difference between the price of the current row and the next row. Again, we're using basic stuff. We've got a simple join here where we're using the group ID. So let me execute the query and you can see the output. I'm just going to bring that up again so you can see. So we can see here we've got the prices from the next row, and it's also calculated the difference between the price of the current row and the next row. So this is a difference for the current row, and this is the next row. So that's the next and that's the current. Okay, that's the difference and that's the next. So that's it. So in this example, I showed you how to use the lead function to return the prices from the next row, and then which calculates also the difference between the price of the current row and the next row. So many thanks for watching. Take care and bye for now.